the hashtags are how people search on these things. So I put some here that I think are important. You can screenshot this, or I'll be sending it out anyway, but home care, senior care, elder care, caregivers, home care services, dementia care, Alzheimer's disease. Don't need to put care in there. Okay, your state, your city, multiple cities, your own hashtag. Okay, so your state, I would always put hashtag NJ for New Jersey, hashtag MO for Missouri, or you can spell it out if you want. Your city is important. So if you serve Greenville, North Carolina, you want to put hashtag Greenville NC, hashtag Greenville, because there are two Greenvilles. There's Greenville, South Carolina and North Carolina. They're right together. You want to put multiple cities. You could do hashtag, every city, hashtag this city, hashtag this city. So I would do St. Louis, St. Charles, and kind of go around. And anyway, so if people are searching for videos about St. Louis, Missouri, they're going to see hashtag St. Louis. You're going to see my video show up. And then your own hashtag. So a lot of people, and it's not to say that you're going to get a bunch of views for your own hashtag. Nobody knows your hashtag. But if you create one, like for Valerie Darling, it would be hashtag home care matters or hashtag home care quote. And when you do that, if you hashtag every single time with your own hashtag, it'll make it easier for you to search. It'll also make it easier if somebody's looking for you, for them to search. So we have one that I am not great at putting on every single video, but I try, is ASN Cares. So it's Approved Senior Network Cares. It's hashtag ASN Cares. I try to put that on videos. I don't always do it, but it is worth it to have your own hashtag. You make it up. It can be whatever you want, and you put it on every video. It's for you to be able to find your own videos, or for someone you're trying to say, hey, just hit hashtag home care matters or hashtag ABC home care, and you'll find us on TikTok or whatever. So hashtags are important. I don't think you need 5,000 hashtags. I think you just need to keep it to what you do in your city, state, if you are a local marketer. If you are not a local marketer, you don't need any city, state stuff.